Welcome on board again. It's now my turn to fly back to Riga. The chief pilot is a bit lazy, so he'll just sit back and relax for the rest of the day.
What the heck?
So we have a flight time of 2 hours and 20 minutes, and yeah, the weather is basically as it was going here. Should be nice and smooth on the way. Detling 5,250, Kilo November 52, 6,000 max 250, and then Daga 250 knots 6,000, and then Clacton max 250, 6,000 feet. Yeah.
Just the same. Yep.
Exactly, and then on to the route basically.
Yep.
BG68, Quebec November, vacate first right and contact ground 121.8.
First right 118, Quebec 68, Quebec November.
Baltic 6 Bravo Mike, runway 26 left, 230 degrees at 5 knots, clear for takeoff.
Clear takeoff, 26 left, Baltic 6 Bravo.
Clear takeoff, ready?
Yep, ready.
Gatwick Tower, hello, EC79 Lima Papa.
EG79 at Lima Papa, Gatwick Tower, good evening, continue approach runway 26 left.
Continue approach 26 left, EC79 Lima Papa.
Set thrust.
EG87 at Whiskey Charlie Tower, behind the landing A320 at 2 miles via Alpha, line up, runway 26 left behind.
Behind landing A320 at 2 miles, fire Alpha, line up 26 left behind EG87 Whiskey Charlie.
80 knots, thrust set, checked.
V1.
Rotate.
Top Swiss 74 Whiskey Yankee, runway 26 left, 230
Buzzer
degrees.
climb.
Not
Go.
clear to land.
Gear selected.
FMS1.
Check. Thrust.
Autopilot engaged.
Check.
Gatwick Tower, Bluebird 2775, good afternoon.
Bluebird 2775, Gatwick Tower, good afternoon, continue approach runway 26 left.
Continue approach at 26 left, Bluebird 2775.
So we are 1,500 feet or above before Kilo Whiskey. It's good.
Yeah.